Welcome to BreitWerks M96 Boxster S engine, 3.2 liter. So far everything looks really good. Cams are hardly showing any wear, but definitely was a reason this motor didn't leak. Whoever resealed these cam covers, they put crap under every bolt head and they weren't messing around. Now we got to clean all that crap off, all the little beads and silicone crap. But here is one of the little adjusters, the little feet things that starts to wear and throws your camshaft deviations off. So next step, we'll get these cams out. We'll get those two little parts changed and come in a little package like this from Porsche. That's it. $25 worth of parts and many hours worth of labor, especially since all of this stuff has to get uber cleaned so that we don't have a leaky motor. All right, thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com, and if you like the video, hit subscribe.